Hey y'all, welcome back to Be Easy with Breezy. I'm Bree. This is today's shenanigans. I am getting some things prepped for a new concept that I'm trying to get done. All right, so come along. All right, so I'm going to try this with another one because I want to see what that one looks like. Is it going to look any different from the last one? Because the colors are similar, but the sprinkles, the actual design is different. So let's see. Let's see. All right. Let's get that on there good. And then dip. And let us go here. Okay, I like this too. I like this one better actually. This one is the gingerbread man. Yeah, I definitely like this one better. I might be liking it better as well because that almond bark has started to cool some. So it's not running as fast. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Okay, let us do that again. Put that on there. Just stick it down the middle. Don't go all the way through. Do it slowly. You can feel it. Dip it in the chocolate or the almond bark. Swirl it a little bit. And then, okay, yes, it is definitely starting to cool. So it's not moving as fast. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you're doing a lot, you're going to want to move fast after it starts cooling down. Okay, because I'm looking over here on this plate and those look done. They look almost ready to move. Okay, I won't. I'm still going to let them sit a little longer because I'm going to put them in the fridge. Let's see here. Yeah, I definitely like the gingerbread ones better. I do. I definitely do. So I had a couple of the candy canes that broke a little bit further down. That is okay. It does not matter. We're going to do the same thing with that one. Push it down. Dip it. Swirl. Turn it so we can get the excess off. Okay. Before start doing the sprinkles. All right. Don't rush it. It doesn't really matter if this is messy because it's such a pretty thing. Okay, it actually adds to the aesthetic, the messiness of it, because the chocolate is dripping. So keep that in mind. Here we go again with my sprinkles all over the counter. It's inevitable, okay? Unless you're using a really big container to do this in, which that would have been smart for me. But you know, some people like doing things the hard way. Sometimes. Okay. I might as well do all of these. I didn't have that many left. So let's do this one. And we need to hurry up and get it done before this chocolate, this almond bark, gets solid in the bowl. I'm going to be using it for another candy. You know I am. You know I'm going right behind this and doing something else. Come on now. You know I am. I have a lot of sweets right now. I have a nice little variety. So when people come to my stand, they will see lots of different things to choose from. Not just toys and regular home gifts and Bath and Body. I'm also going to have some edible things. Yes. Because we need all kinds of stocking stuffers, right? There was one left. Here we go. One left. Yeah, I'm excited about this because I was just trying to decide what I was going to do. I wanted to do these candy canes, but I didn't know what I was going to do with them yet. Okay, I'm doing it this way with this one because I saw some candy in here and I wanted to get it out. It doesn't really matter. The sprinkles. It doesn't really matter. It really doesn't. Because it's going to go in another candy. And you won't even see that sprinkle. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. I definitely like this one. And all that pouring was just because of those sprinkles I saw in there. Yep. Yep. But that's okay. Because I actually still see them on here. So that's a great thing. Trying to get as much of this excess off before I start them sprinkles over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is so nice. Yeah, I like that. Alright, and I did have some excess candy canes left. I was thinking I was going to chop up a little bit. Okay. Yes, a little bit. I noticed a lot of noise. My apologies, okay? I'm not going to do the whole thing. I just wanted a little bit because I thought about this. Okay. Look at that. Yes. So, I'm going to do like a little drizzle because it's still moving, right? Just to get some more on there so I can put the candy cane on there. Not trying to put a lot on here because you know that's a lot of movement again, and we don't want a whole lot of movement, right? We just want something for this to stick to. To have something to catch it. And then oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Gotta be careful when you're picking it up. Okay, gotta be careful. Let's do that again. This is good because then also, if you have some areas that you want to fix, especially since you had to lay it down, or I did, then I was going back to the sprinkles. Oh, no, 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 no. We want this. We want this. Yeah, so this is making it much easier. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I know I keep saying that. I do. I do. I like it. I really do. This is actually making me want one. Do I want a cup of cocoa? Do I want a cup of cocoa? This is actually making me want one. And this just takes a little teeny bit. You know, it's the aesthetic because they're already getting a full candy cane. Yes. Yes. I hope you enjoyed my pretty mess. And I hope this inspired you to do something new. Add something like this to your cocoa bar or your small gifts